I highly recommend that you have a safe word within your relationships. And that doesn't have to be just a safe word for sex, but I mean you should have that too, but all of your relationships. If you can employ a safe word that says, hey, we will use this word when either one of us is triggered to the point where we don't have the capacity to actually speak to each other from a place of two adults, right? If we have lost touch with the capital S self, we have flipped our lid physiologically, we have lost access to that, and we are in a survival mode, meaning we're about to do something, say something that we're going to regret. This is a way of stopping it in its tracks, having an agreed upon word that means code red. We've got a part that's triggered in us that's taking over, and we have lost touch with our conscious adult self, or our nervous system is so dysregulated that we feel out of control. Time to say that safe word, hit the pause button, do whatever you need to do to come back to homeostasis. Call a friend, ground yourself, scream, stab a stick into the ground. Really, truly, it will save you. It will save your relationships in the long run.